Okay, now let's get this done. What we're going to do is I'm going to use just number 6. I'm going to go 6 divided by 1. Or is that 1 divided by 6? What does the calculator say? 1 divided by 6 equals. Okay. So this is 1 divided by 6 equals 1.667. Now the same effect happens when I divide 7 divided by 6 is 1,167. 6 divided by 7 is 85714,285. And if you notice, there's no 369 in this. When you have 2 divided by 6 is 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3.3. And you get the same effect, and 8 divided by 6 is 1.33, and 6 divided by 8 is 0.75. This is where the moon comes in, this is where the gateway comes in, and this is where the 3 little pigs come in. And the reason I say that is back in history over time of my work, I've been, first of all, I revert to this as Lovejoy, as the numbers for Lovejoy came up 333. And the pig's pregnancy is 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Now, how many times does 3 go into 6? 2. Or 6 into 3 is 0.5. That's the half. That would be creation in energy, or the E world. Notice it's on one side of the decimal. And 4 into 6 is 1.5 Mars. 666, this would be our vibration. 2, 3, and 4 equals to my 90 degrees. 2, 3, and 4. Add 2, 3, and 4, and I would add up my total to 100 or 90. 2, 3, 4. 766. 766 reverse plus 2, 3, 4 equals to 1,000. It's there's something missing there. It's supposed to come out to the 90 degrees. I'm not sure what I'm not saying right, but I did it backwards instead of forward, but it runs out of Mars. 333. And then obviously at the end, 3 is going to come out to that perfect angle, or 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 666. Is that what it is? 666 and 2, 3, 4 equals, yes, that's my 90-degree angle. Okay, so now we're going to go on to 5 divided by 6 is 1.2. I call that the half-life in creation, the E world. The total here is 11 and 30 creation DNA through the sun, connecting one side of the heavens of the pigs. Here's my 3s, and here's my 3s, and here's my 3s. 1 and 6, here's my 6s and the 7, here's my 6s, here's my 6s and 7s, 9, 7, and 6. I'm just trying to show you where the numbers come to be. Here, 6 is 1 and 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1 and 1. 7 divided by 6 is 8.57, and this one lines up with the Mayan Sanskrit numerics. 9 divided by 6, 1.5. 4 divided by 6, so 4 and 9 come together. 4 and 9 come together in this relationship. We're going to do that again. 9 divided by 6 equals 1.5. 6 divided by 9 equals 0.6667. 4 divided by 6. 6 divided by 4 equals 1.5. 4 divided by 6 equals 6667. So you can see the way 4 and 9 invert from each other. So this is telling you a numeric rule. And that's about all I want to do. Raphael, not taking it any further than this, but I could, because 7 and 6 is 42, and 13 equaling to 55, minus the 13 equals to a total of 29, and this is birth in your freedom, and this is going to take you through the moon and spirit and the gateway, and this is talking about the moon. 42, 9 lives of the cat, you get communication. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 8. In the game of craps, they split this as the 7th gate. When you multiply this, you eventually end up at 4 and 3, DC if you want. Eventually you end up with 19. And you can continue on doing these numbers, but I want to keep it short. And if I want one day and I have to take it a little bit further, at least we have the understanding of the function. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.